Chiliz value equivalent to $0.443 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.437 $1.488. The earlier day close $1.459. The change was 0 to 16, 1/10%. Converse rate US to CHC. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 45045 coins. Exorbitant cost 5882, while low 4545. The found the middle value of cost 5132. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 5556. Change for August 22 2%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 5556 coins. Exorbitant cost 5882, while low 5263. The found the middle value of cost 5564. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 5556. Change for September 0%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 5556 coins. Exorbitant cost 5556, while low 4545. The found the middle value of cost 5105. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4762. Change for October 3%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 4762 coins. Excessive cost 4762, while low 3846. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4384. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 4167. Change for November 5%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 4167 coins. Excessive cost 4167, while low 3333. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3810. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3571. Change for December 3%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 3571 coins. Exorbitant cost 3571, while low 3030. The found the middle value of cost 3350. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3226. Change for January 7%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 3226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3226, while low 2857. The found the middle value of cost 385. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3030. Change for February 1%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 3030 coins. Excessive cost 3125, while low 2778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2969. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2941. Change for spring 29%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 2941 coins. Excessive cost 3030, while low 2703. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2883. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2857. Change for April 29%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 2857 coins. Exorbitant cost 3030, while low 2564. The found the middle value of cost 2807. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2778. Change for May 28%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 2778 coins. Excessive cost 241, while low 2500. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2731. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2703. Change for June 27%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 2703 coins. Excessive cost 2857, while low 2439. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2658. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2632. Change for July 26%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2703, while low 2326. The found the middle value of cost 2540. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2500. change for August 50%. USD to CHZ expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,500 coins. Excessive cost 2,632, while low 2,273. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,461. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,439. Change for September 2.4%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 2,439 coins. Excessive cost 2,703, while low 2,326. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,492. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,500. Change for October 2.5%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 2,500 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,500, while low 2,041. The found the middle value of cost 2,004. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,174. Change for November 13%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for December 2025. To start with cost at 2,174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,174. The found the middle value of cost 2,423. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,564. Change for December 17.9%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 2,564 coins. Excessive cost 3,226, while low 2,564. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,1846. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,030. Change for January 18.2%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for February 2026. Before all else cost at 3,030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,448, while low 3,030. The found the middle value of cost 3,184. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3,226. Change for February 6.5%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,778. The found the middle value of cost 3,043. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2.41. Change for spring 8.8%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for April 2026. In the first place cost at 241 coins. Exorbitant cost 241, while low 2,381. The found the middle value of cost 2,707. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,564. Change for April 12.8%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,564, while low